The hedge is a very important part of the town and to visitors to the mansion, and the hedge is in the Guinness Book of World Records as being the tallest yew hedge in the world. This hedge is 300 years old, 120 metres long, and currently about 14 metres high. My name's Iain. I am the forest manager here at the Bathurst Estate in Cirencester. We believe the hedge was planted around 1720 by the first Earl when he redesigned the house. The hedge was cut by hand with shears by 3 or 4 people standing on ladders. The species is common yew, Taxus baccata. We'd monitor the hedge regularly, both inside and outside, to check for any issues. We do get very localised browning of shoots, either caused by a needle blight or an insect. If the browning is a bit more widespread, we would try and take that out and allow the growth around it to cover the hole. Fungus is another issue that can affect yew, especially Latoporus sulphureus, chicken of the woods, which causes a brown cubicle rot inside the stem.
To ensure the hedge stays in its best possible condition, it is very important to use the best quality of tools. My name is Olly. I am the lead forester on the Bathurst Estate, Cirencester Park. We cut this yew hedge once a year. It needs cutting once a year to maintain its classification as a hedge. In cutting it, this allows us to check for defects and any diseases. Before we start any work on the hedge, we need to make sure our blades stay clean and sharp. We thoroughly disinfect all our equipment using methylated spirits. To keep our blades clean, we spray with Super Clean. This stops a build-up of resin and also keeps the blades lubricated. We will do daily checks to ensure that they are in top condition. The hedge itself is 3,000 square metres. On a good day, 2 of us can cut about 300 square metres. So what's really important to me about the tools we use is they need to be easy to use, lightweight, robust and reliable. We start at the bottom using our handheld hedge cutters, working our way up, and then we'll use the long reach hedge cutter to trim the top. When cutting the top, the adjustable head on our long reach hedge cutter allows us to follow the natural shape of the hedge. We're using still battery-powered hedge cutters as they are quieter and don't produce any emissions. In order to get a full day's work, we only need to charge them during our lunch break. This avoids the need for having to climb in and out of our cherry picker. The quiet operation of the tool is important to us as we are based in the centre of town. We don't want to upset the neighbours or the residents of the mansion. And then at the end of the day, we'll put the batteries onto charge in the workshop. At the end of the 2 weeks, it's always nice to look back and see the finished result, knowing we played a part in this hedge's long life.